Students, in the earlier video, we have learned about nutritional requirement of animals. Then we learned about various modes of taking food. Now in this video, we will study about digestion and utilization of food by body. First, we will understand what is digestion. Digestion is a process by which animals break down complex food substances into simpler substances. So by the process of digestion, complex food substances are converted into simpler substances. But why these complex food substances need to be converted into simpler substances? Because these complex food substances such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, which are present in our food cannot be absorbed by our body as such. So they are first converted into simpler substances like simple sugar, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol, and then they can be easily absorbed by our body. Now you know why digestion happens. What are the end products of digestion? The end products of digestion are the carbohydrates will be converted into simple sugars, proteins will be converted into amino acids, and fats will be converted into fatty acids and glycerol. In this chapter, we have to study about digestion in human beings, digestion in grass-eating animals, and digestion in amoeba. We will first start with digestion in human beings. Digestion in human beings. In human beings, digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Together, these are responsible for the digestion of food in the body. This system is called as the digestive system. We will now talk about alimentary canal and digestive glands. So, what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal. In alimentary canal, the food that we eat passes through a continuous canal which begins at the buccal cavity, that is, mouth, and ends at the anus. Food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. This canal can be divided into various compartments like number 1, the buccal cavity, number 2, food pipe or esophagus, number 3, stomach, 4th, small intestine, 5th, large intestine ending in the rectum, and the 6th, anus. These parts together form the alimentary canal or the digestive tract. Let us look at this picture. So when we eat food, it will pass through our mouth to the food pipe, and then from the food pipe it will pass to the stomach, and then from the stomach it will pass to small intestine. In the small intestine, the food will be completely digested and absorbed, and then the food from the small intestine will further move on to the large intestine. In the large intestine, the undigested food will come out of our body from the anus in the form of stool. So this is our digestive system, and thus are the various compartments of our alimentary canal. Also, there are three main types of digestive glands in human body, like liver, pancreas and salivary gland. As you can see in this picture, liver and pancreas are shown to you. These glands secrete digestive juice which helps in the process of digestion. Now this is all for today's session. Hope you have enjoyed learning. So keep learning and keep practicing. This is Preeti Agrawal from Atal Bihari Vajpayee English Medium Primary School. Thank you for attending this video patiently. Thank you.